No one wants to work for free, and kids are especially shrewd business people. When you work for something and you get something that makes you feel good, psychologists call it operant conditioning. The theory is that if a child performs a desired behavior and a positive consequence follows it, the likelihood that the child would repeat that behavior is increased. That's why in our parent app, we ask parents to catch their kids doing good as often as possible, and we track it. Teachers and therapists will refer to Goalie's system as a token economy. Kids complete a routine, they win points immediately, and then they can redeem those points for a reward. Parents can create whatever rewards they like, and we present those rewards to kids in an app called Rewards. If you're not sure what motivates your kid, the best thing to do is to ask them. One of my favorite rewards is, Mom does one of my chores. Doesn't even cost anything. Sometimes we'll hear from parents that my kid was super motivated to do all their work on Goalie for the first month, and now they're not. What do I do? You gotta keep the rewards fresh. Create new rewards every week, maybe every 2 weeks, whatever it takes to keep your kids engaged. An adult isn't always around to redeem a kid's points, so we built rewards directly in a Goalie. For example, in our Game Garage app, kids spend their points to buy fuel for a rocket that flies them to different game planets where they play a game. But when their fuel runs out, they have to return to Earth so they don't get spaced out like those other kids. As always, parents have full control over what's allowed in Game Garage, including what time of day the rocket can fly. In the parent app, you'll see the behavior tracker. For kids, we call that app the rules. In the behavior tracker, you create positive behaviors that give kids points. So when you hear them flushing the toilet, you can award them points right away with just a couple clicks from your phone. Not all kids understand or love points, so you can give out puzzles, stars, or specific rewards, or nothing at all. For example, when you complete your home from school routine, you get a snack. We don't necessarily need to give points in that situation. The snack is the reward. You have full control over how the reward system works. The most important thing about a token economy is consistency. We make it free for you to add as many people to the care team as you like. That way, grandparents, babysitters, teachers, and therapists are all using the same reward system. I had one parent tell me that their teacher uses one economy, at home they use another one, and they have 2 therapists that use a third. How would you like it if your boss paid you in dollars one day, the next day in pesos, the third day in Japanese yen? Things would get confusing quick. Pick one system, stick to it, and keep it fresh and fun for your family.